using ChatGPT every single day, but the more you use it, the more chaotic it feels. Old chats are mixed with new ones. You can't remember where you asked something. And sometimes ChatGPT gives the wrong answer because it doesn't remember what you told it before. If this sounds familiar, then you're missing the most powerful feature ChatGPT has released, ChatGPT projects. And in this video, I'll show you how to use projects to turn ChatGPT into a real AI assistant that remembers your system, stays organized, and works like a professional content partner. What are ChatGPT projects? ChatGPT projects work like a dedicated workspace, a private room, for each goal you're working on. Normally, when you use ChatGPT, every chat is mixed together. Nothing is structured, nothing is connected. But with projects, each project has its own memory. All chats inside the project share the same brain. You can upload files, you can add custom instructions, you can store your workflow, templates, checklists, and scripts. And ChatGPT will remember everything inside that project only. Project interface. Let's take a quick look at the project's interface. On the left, you'll see the list of projects. When I click on a project, you'll see chats inside that project, a files section where I upload my PDFs, an instructions section, the heart of the project, and settings where I choose the memory type inside each project. You can create as many chats as you want. And they all share the same stored knowledge. Real example, my AI video script factory project. Let me show you a real example from my own project, AI video script factory. Inside this project, I uploaded an AI video prompt guide, a 3D animation style sheet, Sora script templates, a video gen workflow, a Fleeky voice guide. I also added a detailed instruction set so ChatGPT knows exactly how to work inside this project. In simple terms, I'm telling ChatGPT, you are my AI video script assistant. Use my files, follow my style, keep everything short, visual, cinematic, and emotional. Start every prompt with a character action. Always include camera movement, give me multiple variations, and never ignore the style sheet I uploaded. So with these instructions, ChatGPT becomes a complete script factory. It knows the tone, the format, the tools, and the workflow I'm using. Now watch this. I ask, give me a 10-second Sora animation prompt of a cute pastel kitten discovering a glowing leaf. And ChatGPT instantly generates a perfect scene, using the exact style from my style sheet, the script format from my templates, the camera motion rules I uploaded. If I open another project, for example, digital business operations, ChatGPT behaves completely differently. That's the real power of projects. Projects versus custom GPTs. Projects and custom GPTs are similar in some ways, but they serve completely different purposes. Projects are stronger because they have long-term memory, learn through every chat, can be updated anytime, accept unlimited files, never reset. Custom GPTs are stronger because they can be shared publicly, work like mini apps, are great for users or clients. But custom GPTs cannot update themselves. Once published, they're frozen. If you're still using ChatGPT the old way, you're using maybe 30% of its real power. But once you start using projects properly, you'll see smarter responses, a more organized workflow, consistent creativity, and ChatGPT becoming your true AI teammate. If you want more tutorials on projects, just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.